So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And yesterday DeepSeek dropped a bomb of a model that is a new version of DeepSeek V4 Flash, that is 0731. The model is not just small, that is about 300 billion parameters. It is also able to beat out V4 Pro and GLM 5.2, including it's quite comparable with Opus 4.8 as well. This is as big a release as Kimi K3, my friends, because it is 1/10 the size of Kimi K3, delivering great performances. Now you must be asking where the mod can you use the model for free? So interestingly, on open code, the model is available for free to use. DeepSeek V4 Flash free, as you can see. This has been provided for free for everyone now. And you can use it to write codes in your local system. Use it with open code AI agent. So let's get started. Hey bro, I'm just trying to chat with basic things. Hey, what's up? What did you need help with? This is very fast actually. The team has mentioned it can generate up to 110 to 120 tokens per second. So that's crazy fast. Help develop a Streamlit app for dashboards. Let's see how quickly it is able to generate codes for me. The model has started thinking. As you can see, the speed is terrific. Get child item force. It is writing certain codes for me. And you can now use DeepSeek V4 Flash free on open code. That's the best part. There exists a monitoring file already. Exists the upgrade the existing KPI demo, dashboard for pilot data, brand new app from scratch. Let's build that. Demo data I'm asking for, submit. Crazy work done. I think DeepSeek team has released a bomb of a model which is more consumer friendly, because see, you can't use Kimi K3 because it's 2.8 trillion parameters in your local system, but this can be used. Multi-page recommended. Let's see what it builds for us. DeepSeek V4 Flash is now available. One of the best open source model, and yes, truly usable also with just 300 billion parameters. Can be used for mid-grade consumer GPUs too. I think soon the teams would be releasing GGF version, so you can run that in your local system also. But right now the model is available for free on open code, and it's one of the best models, so I think worth using it too. As you can see, it is checking out my project. It says I have an app, I have pages file, it is creating a new thing. What are the tasks it has created for itself? It is able to complete them too. As you can see, scaffold project structure, build sample data module, build overview page, build analytics page, build data explorer, verify app runs without error. First couple of parts are done now. By the time we are talking, I think the video is about 2 minutes now, and already we are good to go. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 is looking to be a great model, my friends. And yes, you heard it right. It's available for free also. The model is released on Hugging Face as well. The API hasn't been released for free on NVIDIA right now, but as soon as it comes, I would be the first one covering that too, so don't worry about it. As you can see, almost everything is done now. Now let me verify everything works. Syntax check all files and run the app headless to confirm it boots. There are multiple other models also present on open code like BigPickle, Laguna S 2.1 free, Link 3.10 Flash free, Mimo V 2.5 free, but the best one is DeepSeek V4 Flash free. That has been released just yesterday. As you can see, it is writing a small test script to temp file instead. Things are getting done now. It's writing a small test file also. By the time we are talking, the entire work is done by AI, that too by DeepSeek's model. DeepSeek hasn't released anything for a very long time now, but I think this looks to be a big release. And you might not be understanding with the benchmarks only, but the model is actually very good, given it can be used with consumer grade GPUs also. I think the model has started now. Casual greeting. Let me check. All the 3 pages passed. Let me do a real boot check to confirm. So I think some checkings are done in the end. And yeah, our website is ready. As you can see, run it. As I mentioned, I'll ask it to run it for me. Let's see whether it is able to do that or not. Yep. As you can see, it is able to initiate Streamlit for me now. Let me check it out. App is getting installed. Crazy work done. Sales analytics dashboard. As you can see, this is very complex, and I think we are able to develop it within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, that too for free without paying a single penny. So now you can use DeepSeek's latest model, that is DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 for free on open code. Do try it out. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about the model. Thank you so much.